You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly, a name of Italian origin that also exists in English. So we need to listen to the Italian pronunciation first. Giuffre. Giuffre. Now, in English, it's generally pronounced as Giuffre, as in Virginia Giuffre, but should be said Giuffre from Italian. So sometimes it may be pronounced Giuffre or Giuffre in English, the pronunciation, but the Italian pronunciation, Giuffre. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.